Abusuafo no so medawase say watimagibre na wo hwe Attention TV YouTube bacho wo hwe na wonya enye subscription na wotimbo moden a subscribe etimi edi amame na Ghana ensamedi kan ti ni hwe nyina no yetimi edi hu enkomo nene we very exclusive to say enkomodi a you not expecting it opeyini kase pa na mensa ka no amembetre enkomo one on one ane mesati makande je enigye pa na mdete ha yebidi sa enkomo yi ne nyina ene se yehwe oman Ghana mu a nyamesom yade a enafom kra yon krobeta wodo miensa yon kramofo yewa kristofo ene we na omoso edie na ene ye babewura eye kristosumu asofo ne kandifo mu di enim no yewa difo yewa akomhyefo omodoso ye behwe ohawodo a omofam obiku bi say na asofo nso ewo hawana asofo omo hawana ene bidin komodi afa challenges in God's ministry nyame adwuma ni mu no Bible ne se nka wo fa nyame adwuma fa adwuma pa na so still no ye ne pa idie na oha kakra ebetimi abanti bidin ko bi say wo say ye wo haw ewo nyame adwuma ni mu wana na enye obi akeke na mini bidi sankomo yi ntina meka se eye program nei eye ne dikese se pin kese otekunya so no enye ni pakuma bi akeke ononyamfo a wagidi o man Ghana ha sabi di ni doso eso di nyina na nyumapa etachiri we die mate hu edi hu adanse odifo onyame nipa prophet osai kwame is a local man osai kwame nene mensati makanwa medi anigye ene bedi enkomo ne ebisa ho se asofo sa ohaw ni bi na safo ni din adi Victory Prophetic Church Ghana. Victory Prophetic Church Ghana. Ena ye papa wodano edi dwumason edeboa oman Ghana ne nyame ma ewebremu omuhia se nyankopon ene oni ensa wuso. Obetima phone 0244697357 0244697357 edino nana mansa abrompa berima yo ne mu frame na mens mene papa ekodi nkomo na yahwe ahodo a ewo nyame adwuman emu prophet akwaba
eja papa
ene mani agi se manyaw
mesmani agi se mesmeshi
mani agi papa ya tidi na hwehwa ye show bebre ntiene meka sam very honored some mensa kan wa megiri se buso na safomanu nya bia iku
obia ho ye papa
wow
nyankopon ado
and daddy you are looking so good
also you are looking so good.
Prophet ebajone ya say wadaje kakra ya mo betina ya hakakra enkomodi ni say ye hwe say nyamedwuma na mafa no ye mu bi timi di wadanse no e bi doubt say asofo so hawa na ntie hwe say nyamedwuma no ohaw ewo mu sa ne bi tisai
jo se ba share adwuma ya se no
okay
e mo mpai yes onyametumfo ona we bukuru mutia yensu amopo odine kwa me atrap mbrense madukata we banfo woni atufokasi ya huturu mapi mu yejeje ku abrante konto kolonia odamansa ko maja enenso umma yeshia awonu wonyam empire hu de biara efise kotokoro enkasoro wo me kwa boma anan pinti anan senku enjije se kotokoro free so mbape na ayemfo nimpani asore erode you be study implement in fin bencheye be quote program yi and be quote TV station erode man kotokoro enkaso era wase so etie adoti amen
papa ya show bi
o jira so
daddy that question dey be say asofo mo challenges na I been say
challenges
sure
se me da so se na me da
okay
and so se no bi da
okay
do cause asofo challenges
okay
I don't get you
intenka ne say odwuma na wafa no wo hawa hodo a wo fa odwuma nim
adwuma no bi da fa adwuma mu
adwuma na wafa no nyame adwuma na wafa no
me nkofa
okay nyame frofre wo no
was one one from here me ndimi nyawe
okay nyo no okofa
the big
okay
okay we adwuma mai
macho de
we adwuma mesua adwuma me ankasa makofa to me ho so So ni mabe Santana.
Me watch why.
Okay. Me Spinning Skyhouse.
Wow.
Ulichi. Citrus.
Wow.
Any other spinners baby.
Okay.
Juma no kofa to me also as a mobile DJ.
Okay.
I'm not a DJ Juma in Nigeria no. Na Zigiza Junior I will be ni.
Wow.
Enti Juma we pa nyame Juma na de nyam na kofa.
Ina kofa e.
Kwa ye fa so a Juma na e bi beto me okwan mu no. Eto me okwan mu so.
Okay.
I'm a Ghana. My first program I yako tamale. Na yedika bowo me answer.
Okay.
Yedu baby kintampo ne yaka ka ho.
Okay.
Na ma da okay mo. Me daka ni mo a ene amete wo me nayem.
Okay.
Say usi fam pepper so be ko. I'm say what?
Obi an ko program no.
Obi am ko program.
Apem sika no.
Let me show. At the age of 12 years, it is a Satan and mobile DJ, a Jumano, a year Juma Nanka, a fancy Anka, at the age of 12 years, Nanka, it is said DJ Swish.
You can who is Kakesi.
What I say,
yeah.
But Uncle Ye Jumapa.
Okay.
It's Yame Fro Fred Menede, Yaman Uncle Fire.
Okay.
Women and Mekwanso.
Okay.
And also, wow, Colabone. Me do ye be a baby. Yamia Juan, the Yaman Uncle Fire.
Okay. All right. I was from who the small education of the Macy's here in Timesre. On mom cofa, the mere Jumano, young cofa, one cusia, unless a corneba, or then Sakam non one in Mawa, that's what shall say. Where something small about prophet or say Kwame. No one can so be dinner home common, and we say, me and you many ain't me must for be a free, also for be a free. I feel go back to the question. Daddy, Yami for a friend, I feel my candy.
Okay, yeah.
Yami for a friend, I was with the two. What the one castle life between China or how do ma face as a prophet?
I say, Maya Chuma Merate, Metame Wona, Adinina, Ayonia Bina Juma. Namanya is Shira, Sawa Freya Bibiara, Medianite, Batina so, O Sunday, Ono Adu Shira, it's one cousin, or no walk, Sikashira. And social method with a mere jumemono. A son. Macassa swa, Sabe, Yachu Biko police station, and not just a memechan.
Okay.
Yachu Biko prison, and not just a mechan.
Okay.
But Bible said, Yamu myself, say, some unfair feel I'm a wa, we are ye.
Okay.
So, we will lose near my baby.
Okay. Okay.
Minya me who you. Some may bam will studio a cemetery bicycle, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Some kind of fast one may do, you don't know.
Yeah.
Minya me hoye. And a menu so many will be shay. Near me will be a menu so.
That is you.
That is me.
Wow.
Min cassette, me bonnet.
Okay.
Indeed, or how am I family dear? A dorsal. I told them many members are master. I asked God, said, why? By my bemu.
Okay.
I don't know, said, many about Obapa Christy,
I want to move.
Me, Mamma Bemu, my cost so much, Radiani. A consider, oh, mammy, bray in your qua, a ratty dear, or Shema will bread in your quanta, yes, way, or Yamia Jana, me ba. It is my mamma bum.
Okay.
And then the Amifam Bia. Monsieur Memoir. Lazy, we know how many years Eddie.
What's your dad?
At Papa. I told
but still new.
And not that may still be said.
Yeah.
Who got to force at the crowd shall start. Not to so.
Okay.
Shall start not to so.
No one you saw.
No one you saw. Now, who corner. What time for no woman at Jumaya? I was it. There was Sansa.
Wow.
When you talk about me, I mean, you don't have job to do, so you keep on talking. You know, I don't
about me. Yeah. What's that? That come on.
Yes. What's that? That is the same. We go people to be a tongue. I hear Juma. I never hear you know. What one I will come. Oh, what would you? No, you know.
Wow. I
don't think about me other pastor be. me Reverend Obofo me Bishop Daniel Obi ni ho me Prophet Entry ho me obi ya ho nia me twene na say Awurade ma na adwuma nkọ anim Awurade ma na adwuma nya sei Awurade ma one na yire ne ma ne church members omo bibia nkọ so. What are you thinking about someone? Why can't you leave that person and thinking about God
and yourself?
Wow. Me who am dwene pa me kind of correct wa me bompai and then I imagine you maybe I'm say Awurade but mama how many years? I want me who man just say manya 70 and jet na manya 85 and jet me come and say oh I don't feel being count kaminya be 120 akameni be you. That is my request. Eti be se Awurade bribi na Awurade nyama o be se bribi obey ma o ye nyina papa o ye oluma ba ko no size. But why are you thinking about who you are on TV? Who can I go for baby? It told you so about no. Why did the baby be a channel and a bon community? No, leave those people
and move forward. Could be here if your pastor tells you, say, oh, when you have this, I am telling you, or what? Pay be oh, and sir. Monday over sorry, Tuesday over sorry. It told you on judgment that you have to sorry them. Why? Your pastor is deceiving you. Timmy dear, or how am I family dear? A Dawson. Papa be your chain echo prison. A friend of Prophet Nana Kofi. Okay. Okay. Now, one day, my man about studio. Wow. Prophet Nana Kofi, I will be a yet in a coy, in crash or share no, and then I'm so catch any so phone be on Ben or catch no. Me catch and say, Papa, unya sa 10 years near the amount. Unya, you come back. New when you 1 year could ample. Wow. No, I decided to buy it. And no chance I mean buy one more you. Those people now so back cassette here say, oh, chia, and you cat, say this. Yeah. Yachi, Prophet Usuba and Paco Tumo. Some of the pastors, some of members, they are happy. But me, now in film. Yeah. Yeah, maybe answer that you need you, Radislam you, maybe no idea Nakotuno, you need film more, Radiman Bishop Obin in Yasam, and my Reverend Bofu in Yasam, and my Papa Don Cavillas in Yasam, and my Sofa in Asari in Yasam, and my Sofa Bia in Yasam. You quay him. Maybe Rama saw them, wouldn't it be? Why am I for Papa? Because those days, that's 2005. Na Papa Donka Williams earlier program, no invite me. We do what I say, oh, me hoye for chair. Because me can't and say, need you for chair media. No way. My manage media, and I'm proud of it. Abba. Why I don't know when you would you. Uko tunko nyasi you be there ma. Wo sako eko prewu kurumu say, and say we nyan ko in a chance any pakode. Why are you like that? Then you know challenge us so funny. Sanity. Reverend Obofo talk latest one. It is a Musliman here China the night. Messi, Opa Yen Yensi a cook master, met a bicycle so one also on the private jet whatever. Obedu. Wow. So why are you envy someone? So for entry to car way more, prophet entry to car way more, it is a minion here China dear. Prophet, your son is so natural. Papa Sana, yeah. That is my life. Wow. I have friends. I saw for what Ghana in before what Ghana in now, but I don't go to anybody. No. I don't go to anybody. You share TV on the radio, so hey, when you say, yeah. I move alone. I do everything alone. And you're so simple too. Me is simple. Me what I say? It's challenges I have feminine. Ibini, me side there, me dear. Okay. Minimum being so dear. Daddy, Bakubia, mechanic general Masanso was say it was a lockdown by Emma, a sorry be bree members na young corner so funny be yet a TB who be now complete but a lockdown high because members say band be I sorry me coso name one dia impo actually no still be more dear come down but then you show us for a while you are still strong Ebani say me my sorry yes I can't even I can't do it. That because you're so strong now. Daddy, no, who never go. Met was it? Maybe I can't do it. Yeah.
Near me, be firma. The challenge is of family say, where is the members?
Okay.
Machine and Kuna to China, you say, I can't want to cry, then Yamiase.
Wow.
Because Onyango, I had what the arsenal, so on my dinners to the 4,000. Now, Coche the Koasuma was on one dead opa. It's so many Nako, Nakabakwan. Keep on praying.
Wow.
Ojabakon Akano. Shanaso. Was it Oganja Fopa? Oganja Fopa. Oganja Fopa ni Christo. It's one of the human now yet. And not in Aqua. What I don't know.
Wow.
Bombay on the four for a better. On the four for a better.
Prophet, we're different.
There be many difference. Sana Mesumete.
There be some workers, a sorry man, call, but then still you keep on praying. How I'm really different.
And I'm just as Sana Mesumete.
That is Prophet Ose Kwame.
That is Prophet Ose Kwame.
Wow. Wow. Into the ma wa bamumu because a domino dorsum. You co prophet, I saw them more victory where come an idiot. Now, what do you also bamumu?
Do you know the reason why India Obiwa one members acquire na why am I? Always about money. Always about money. Sika. Because remember the Baba took correction, right?
Yeah.
I don't know a minimum yankopo ma sika no members never took correction but to or more tight near the idea. I don't know what scano says can it be any business be. Wasn't 1 year human only did. When I go to church and I stand back of the pulpit or whatever, let me preach here. Me patro enya dwumo. Papa na so me se me ko kan asem. Enya nya dwumo. But after one na me so nyame afa me so aboa me na wapagya me no ato me nsam bibi no. Ese me kopa adwuma ka nyame adwuma no. So there's time for everything. So me me business na do asore time. Ese me ja business no na me ko nyame ho no. Na me ko yi nyame papa ne de no. Because okay, let me ask you right now. Get here. Near phone so say sebe memuda. Obu obega se na no si sumuna so. Wa no na we de ka so di sumuna so. No, memuda.
Which revenue never know.
Say your bro say see say oba and our papa afri mu say see a. E ba so oba so dey fiase see a. I am telling you.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Oba so dey fiase see a.
Yeah.
Ya fra say papa and our papa afri mu say see a. Me so we dey adwuma na.
Wait a minute so.
It is so papa fra wa. You go fast. Nyame adwuma me no so a me ko nyame adwuma me ko abrotire a me ye adwuma san chance na betwum sa memo be sa broni na mfa ne ho opa ko university kill university why university way wo ko ni na na opa ko abrotire I met ohini bi me money di me share no our UK ni kromufo oyo ohini o and no say immigration officer pani pa or the Makwa project obi ko do ono okwa ye duma washing bay anka Ghana obi na wash the car man and na ono ye washing bay the friend the crew move on sia na adwuma o se mukuru ma adwuma de enya bra so eno na ye
yeah
what I say o pass our certificate degree na bi de bo so na
first degree
and ade be
second ho
and ade be
doctorate ho emeritus
and ade be
edos
wo ko du ho a wa emeritus no eni ho
bi but you pon person
everybody nyankopon I wanna wo say opepa me wa to and I say yes obi o wa brochire bia she or he know what I'm telling everybody else
yeah
Brody doesn't care about what you have
yeah yenhwe ni ntuaka simple
oba paadie
I say me for hey was so ba hey what could school him for camera si so na kasa ne nko
that's all obu e de camera si so a ne ho post che
and so na obo degree ahodo
what I say edi wo degree fa to nchen
okay
and I obi ti asoro ba kom you say international no international na nkan hute
okay
me ma de nyina na say action speak louder than words
yeah
I love action me no ti asese here unza time I share program na say obi frame me o say me credit 100 Ghana me hu no kra men kai o say papa o bomba mam na say na me say hwan ni no body din na me say eh sir o say me na madam for na doctors who are ye wumbu no madam for na nya wawo na so mawo enna ya mana nya 11 years Empagya me say me mfa ho ahoa me ho say me na me ye say agya papa na ye ma no keke na me bie ye na me tene me nsa na papa ne say yes ebi ana sa da akwa wa ye bone so nyame ahwe bone na oye no wa hwe bone no but say be say na monyam no oye hu no sanka nyankopon ka so hwe sa nyema na anka Mose anka wa mre
okay
the challenges are ebinum fam no eso it's a lockdown ni mo no ni esi ebia no se me hye me nua bia nkuran se wato fam a aso na agu a men kan je so rehwe me on pesofo bia obe no on kone nche no mo mpaye ma no ano no ankasa on fa ne dem wo enya atwa mountains on fa nya adumfa on fa nya kokko mountains on mie na come no nyi na come mu no mo mpaye. I am telling that person say church in the sunrise
ko nyame na afrɛ
enya waduma
I was a prophet or say come in with training papa na waka key word dem that to me say or not after the church no we puppet na okoye na dwuma or no akasa na dwuma we ena nyame de bere so a okoye nti asofo na asore ma na mape na akoye su no was no talk to God say enwan na de bere me no omosa akọ na kopọ na akasa beba the challenges we be ena yedi hu nkomo na baako ambese papa ebam emamini na nsan yenim se osofo bi mamoni sofa mofe yes yiso amofe no commission bi ba ye mekofa chete wale hu ama Ghana fu nyina munyina mote hu bi eno wachi opa kopi mu efiase nsem bebri na de wo ba ne se munyamfo dampare bi kire mu se ene we prophet na commission no wanka se nche because nyame na direct nyame na kasa kire ne mum se koba threatening ehu bi bonipa ne hwad na nkoye dia anhwa won so da chi bia no nsawom wakoye adwuma ho kakra na ase aba sofo bi hu obi kura nyan kan me kura kan wonka na me ka cross wonte yemisa prophet o se kwam yinimu no se ye papa yanka se die me ti look up mani age se sasam no wate na wate a protocol se ni take ni say won so de no woka abon hu bi ana ono de isan se de oye no na yinimu ntino sabe wate so woka de prophet IGP kasaifa prophecy hu wanka se munjai na mu prophecy e de ayimhihie ni hu beba no was ye munhwe yi wo ho pacho sasem no menim se wate de na woka fam
yo ele Christ ase me just menua Jesus amofe onya sa issue no ayede ne kotu mu no mentumi amen because my said antini ye me social media mentan ko sa because me bengu hu hia me pa bengu hu hia anti me ma menu ana kafra kafra but anya papa dampare on va Jesus am van go prison nyame na asoma na se brofo bi guo won ko hwe won
okay
what's the name of Jesus one touch prophet na Kofi Asam nyame na asoma mo se o mon ko and prophet they should go and pray for them.
Okay.
They should go and tell them, say Christ is back, so they should repent. Papa dan pare for bianco prison. Okay, fine. Una aka o present an aka. But I'm not papa dan pare unso okuta everze okuta so for answer or den go prison.
Ba jo David.
Be on nya ne re. Nyame na se koho. Koka sa asem we. Koho. Na samu so ka kire. Yemia Shatawale no.
Ano kafa no ho.
Okafa no ho no. Me pacho ebetuma yampa.
Okay.
Ebetuma yampa.
Yeah.
Me meka say ebi oboa.
Okay.
Obroni kasa tisa ledger. Ete sa asam no kro nsheda nyeshu.
Yeah.
Enti ebetuma yampa te say me nsheda nyeshu.
Okay.
Ana me nka say me nua sofo na difo no so ne oka no oboa.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
But ade ba ko ni Mimi nhwe se Shatawale. Se nyame akase ma kire me. Na ni tini ye cheche asofo ne adifo a enti menka meka.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that.
Woni ma de ba ko. When God speak.
Wow.
nobody can change.
Okay. What kind of car?
Okay. My person can't say me chile Ghana for any years for you. As someone Jesus I'm of a can't say Yamia than a dear channel. Friends, Shatawale Huno. Anka Nyampa, and Yampani Ampa, I then a Shatawale, Muna no dini birthday, the next day, no, Udane. And I'll call Heidi, baby. And on one cruise, I can't say, why they, yes, shoot to shut up on best had you win for high pen and
What hype will be?
what happy but only must say. If you are not a guy, was soon you might be in Commission about such a kind of crapper. Bulldog, or be only Bulldog, you miss and one prophet or second. Bulldog name me pa. Bulldog mammy, with film and JBR. Bulldog mammy, or no young man must sorry in my poor mammy. Go and ask Bulldog.
Wow.
I'm not Bulldog. Yaka said, Bulldog, Yatu, what to be true, me reference, Nipakudi, those they not any money out to spend us. What to be true, no, me, Bulldog in me, mini, or Bulldog in me, that Bulldog go back or no shoot top. Bisa Bulldog, go ask Bulldog. Me fa obedient and bragget. Me find Bulldog with the energy. And I never working my Bulldog now, as someone a flesh case. And Yaman. Maybe need to be out, 2 minutes ready.
The only thing that's I want to glory bound.
Debbie,
Send us off my.
Okay, what is our new mother? Monsieur Sir, Carmen and you, or your head party that. Was it much?
Wow.
What I said? And it be not. Shut a name, Ninamuno. Dreams so in Yano, on country be other such a shut all the wounds are not yet more.
Oh, yes.
I do not be papa. But now, the page so you know, something, and you know, I just say, hey, I but not you would talk. Not you would be it. It won't say, be a gift to my bonus. No,
let me do this.
Yeah, this is the day. I have to hide myself. Whereby, if my enemies they are coming, they will not see me.
I tell what that was.
It is shut away. You soon have been it.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
And yes, if you are new software and you, okay, you have your McCoy, you know, Yami Moon Kakran say, and you Jesus, I'm of a car, Memete, and from Memon said, or say, shut up, and I say, oh, one is software. From a neck, me know ye are down for. Okay, Sato was catching Jesus, I'm of it. It is Santa, I'm going to make the dinner at Tamoho.
Yes.
Come to my yellow. But was if near Jesus, I'm of a kind of social media material and make a young. Or say, shut up, no, or say, wouldn't suffer, or say, free and now, me know, ye, young corper.
And why is the use to me? I send you on as well. If you know, come home, paradise.
Thank you, Anna. I call with Titiano, the friends I wouldn't upload Nabrofudi. Zacchaeus,
yeah.
No, you must say yes to benefit.
Yeah.
On a Samuel, or be a busoya from no, you say yes to benefit. Sana Satane, software way, dear, acquire. What you say? Papa Damparo for Bianco prison.
Okay.
On for Bianco says.
Okay.
But your woman is say, we are software, we are D4. Nanya me debi be a ditch. I am begging everybody. Me permit me and my D4 and software. Let's be in your room. Pray for that person. Wouldn't you be a software being to me conversation before? Some of them feel proud.
Okay.
And my sword near what telephone doors to the door.
Say prophet no could be now, so no Philly.
No, musicians are not very proud. I feel a big dodo.
Okay.
Oh, tell them, me, I know they believe those kind of things. Tell them I know they are not there. It's all my kind. But some come to me, my kind they are. And I'm here, material. So my won't be here for me. It will call me tuka. Ah, now me won't be here for Satan one. Now Satan be in the door, say me to my bar. Me no say me feel over bano. Dollars say me soon, but no. But the pana. What you say? If you are not just can't na me call ye. Asem pana na me call ye. Inti enum yo say asem papa bi amate oye asem papa bi amate say Yesu oyoka. What you say? Inti anke asem papa obewu me pacho nyame asoma odifo bi so nko kan say papa bi say obewu ana Eti anke yakobi enye.
Okay, yeah.
But we should put this kind of prophecy. You put you ya stop sani emano we bewu. Present bi bewu. Wo wote we wu nidi. Nti obi ansho ho. Obati e ni bewu.
Me se fa kan.
What
is Captain Smart? Obi anshe me ho kom.
Yeah. We ya sound microphone bia. Ada me nko mentanko ni pem. Ada no obi nshe me ho kom. Se mewu. Kwa kura na anu me ye boni bi. 3 days dey me ye boni bi. What you say me kum tonton pam. Ani ma ye boni o. Asa ya she me ho kom. But minister bi be wu minister na friend say boni din here. MP bi be wu boni din here. Nyame ayi bibi atem say odifo bi be wu minister bi ba be wu minister ben. Me nia me pasa me ka che papa dan pare say so ti bibi sa o me enfra so for odifo kono. Omo ni pakudin.
Okay. Okay. Ndi da wo nya yanka komhye de ba osofo no nka ye dey konipa na ho ana say bompa ye keke enka.
Obi o wa nyame beka se ko.
Okay.
Obi o wa nyame beka se menko. Enyina wa asori dem mu mfa nye akesesem. Pray for that person. Enti mame mi sa wo. Sa nyame ka to sa wo yede sof mame. Ade achi obewu a, ma jo beka ma church members ate. Obi bisa wo, obeka ma
prophet David.
Good. Se nyame aka che wan kasa so se wa wo ye difo na sofo no, se wo won oba bi kura ma se bo be mepeja ntu e kira obewu a, boko go dina so dem aka mo bi ate. Pray for that person. Pray for that person.
Then tell me say we different, you know.
Ebinom dia no. Aya ya kan say ya say prediction ya mo kan say
or predicting.
Me bro for no sheda anye papa bia. O predict. Enye lo to no man ye twa. Aya sa ni edi sofo we atem, ni edi difo we atem. Na wo kura de anka on person be pensa.
Innocent 40 someone na me nimu no.
Me chat members here 5. Wo ko kan sa 2 ni 3 kwa aka 1.
Semo.
Oh, enti media ka me nko a me ma adwene o, me nka obi adwene ma no. Ebe ya. Mo me mo mpa mo man no. No man ni nyina. Hwe, niema nko yi.
Okay.
Me mo mpa da, da bia me ka che nyangopo se wa ha me. Me mo mpa da me hu se, Awurade aka che me se odifo se kwa me. Ka che Ghana for se, ndara baka pataya ba. E na okwa so dem a, so ketu apagya Michael. Instead of Beka, Awurade Yesu me bompaye, me do deep bompaye. Ubo so pejama yabaya, indakapa, ipapaya pa, pantapa papai. What kind of nonsense is this?
Wow.
Wase mompaye mukuro mompaye. Mukuro mukasa. Mummo sampaye no, na mumbo sampaye na hunkuku no besa. It is so for sesi afọ Mike hunkuku asoma.
Mike dey the womb.
What for Mike sesi hunkuku asoma na? Me, I hate nonsense, so I don't belong to those things. Me motons.
Prophet was speaking.
But when the Holy Spirit come upon me, I speak. And by force. Tons ye van pema. Obi mu obi says ya tara papaya papoya. What kind of thing is this?
Obi na matom so
You know, we learn so many things. Oh, me obaba no books egu mani mu no. Me reading yama bebre. And I got baby a radio so yaba what can I did that part of batching grover tons of all call batching baby agum.
Do support no.
Other men supporting the same support no. If I be IGP, President Kufuor Kwame Nyamecheno. And that's why I'm body I some can. Papa down part me catch President Kufuor President Kufuor say, "Why you this mistake? Papa down part in your betcheno." Because Manana said, Abba no kura Manana yede. And yet,
yeah, yeah.
Eti mama, me amena na bema. Me what's an okay grab myself. Me papa asante, me mama ye grabini.
Oh, okay.
Right? Yane president in free if you back work upon and you me mama papa. Me mama papa. The late or Nibia or Nchebia friends I can present Barbara to be the Bibi to me. Also, a social media fan, friends, I work upon.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Big afro, no money at the idea.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
Nana Mantia, me mamma papa.
Kapim
We are pim dimpa. President in him say fear back one in the film.
Yeah.
What I say? Eti papa dampare when you walk back. Sana president in your betri anakano. One is on your of overtino. Eti we are soft for we are deep for.
Okay.
Ye never ma. Amamena akoyi.
Okay.
Pray for the people, pray for the nation.
Okay.
And come kwase nkom hye biasa.
Okay.
Try mama ka se mi enchira osisia. Ma tesofo bi issue bi. Sofo bi say we deliver asofo bi. Okay. Also we deliver mpaye aduanom ne ade Bishop Salifa Mako, right?
Okay.
Sa tofemo o mo tofemo no ntro.
Oh sir.
Hwe nka o ma ha. Omo ye de se ono na nimonyam. And enemo ono se ne buckets no e ka say powers pass power. Power be ani wo mu. Power be ani friends saying what is saying Salifa Mako mo. Wonye nyame o.
Okay.
Power be ani sofo ni mo.
Se be nyame honhom ne ba.
Nyame bia mae. Honhom bia nka we no mama show bi nchao. Sofo bi wo wa oba mpa na obi a nka ka ma no na omo chinchin omo te se crocodile o se honhom aka no hwe honhom nya ka na mama ka bi nchao se Holy Spirit bo bi so a won. Oye no mercy o. Obi a wo se di mo woni ma o tofem no ni Brazil eyi no opia Brazil. Di mo ni mo Brazil.
Neska te ko fa na otweba soro.
Otweba soro.
O siesie no ho.
What I say? Basa honhom ni kanipa na me pacho nipa ko ni ba bi gina. Basa woni bibi. Me ye nyame adwuma anya no. Ba me fa ho awa me ho. Asoko bebre obi wa food na body se kuwa na ade me pacho bebre wo ho a. Wo mo be ye nyame adwuma be 2-3 years be 5 years o.
Enso.
Me papa ni Bishop Michael Ozebo so.
Oh wow.
What I say? Ye nyame adwuma anya no. Mini experience when nyame adwuma mu. Ba nyame ma me nyansa wona adwuma mu. Mini tiedie, mini experience when nyame adwuma mu. Ba nyame ma me nyansa wona adwuma mu.
Ma de ye niam.
Okwa aka say, okwa ye say, enkoka nkwase asem o TV station ho. No, me ba nyina sa na oka kire.
Directions. Okay.
Me ba ha me hu bibia wo ho. Me hu bibia wo cameraman se gina ha ho. Ba me ba ha me hu bibi e ma me soma say kopa di bibre me bo a.
Me fa shine no kure.
Yo ni nyame ba kire meti wo ko mu no. Nyame te an say pagya wani. Ade na wo no. Ka kire se.
So ka me bre ansa na mi.
O bre good. Asema me kan anya ntro na
wo.
Se me no mi anu abatena na e di ntro kire wi asefo nyina. Nyame ntua me ka.
E na me ka se me
No
bre.
na bra na ndwa pam se nkiki no. Na bi mu na wo so. Cause me David, no, me cannot catch yourself near me can say and draw the air. And the anya sabe pepe, and then draw the air, and you won't miss me.
And yantro, because me bre ansa na mi hu. Me dam it is a me hu hwe.
What you say?
Yes.
A Juman ye.
Okay.
Baby be bia.
Okay.
As I see you nyame.
Okay.
No home money to me away.
Okay.
It's papa dampare on you be unto me.
Okay. Abusanfo na kire se owura dampare ne nsemo de babonte na prophet o se kwame so edna adwenkyere amaye no na ye na ye homratew ye ba na ye kwi asem ne se adifo Ghana ha no be breba 80% obehya nkoma kese a na 31st of every December ye bisa se ar na ma June na ma July ma October na ma January finfi ho ba bi ye ko ba sisi na prophet o se kwame so ne di nkomo se nkomse no nyame apake agu 31st night nko a me pa cho ye ba sisi Alright, we shall focus our very, very exclusive interview with Prophet Osei Kwame. Ewa attention TV. What shall I say? Na upia share mobia ensa etimi akambi na faside modu Emma Queen Vasti Foundation. Ono sikasa from no so yasene pa ekunafo nyanka wana sabe wa benso na fie eni sika no ma meboa Emma nema nyina timi ko de ma Ghana fo bibre. Obetima frɛ Queen Vasti 0548 302 985 0548 30 29 85. And then mini prophet Osei Kwame what does for the day at the Victory Prophetic Church Ghana AD and Como very very nice one and big one. I'm so enjoying say program no air kosa me dini bi nana mensa abrompa berima ya betima from in amens yeku wiensem nyina no make say Ghana a deep for about 80% and I'm for 90 some commercial beba ma Ghana for you could be a fapa yana pepe na 31st of December every year na adenti na February March July September any April hono yentantin commission bi prophet wa ha ono so won say saa na nyame ahye no ana say wona Ghana for pe ana wona honhom ne ba ana honhom bi ape new year prophet akwaba bi
yeah jababa
how many are you because bibia is different
oh that
too full which renema
enyame
sa
minimum nje obia o many ayebe ka che na meka
okay
is na wo say what you go for advert ni ni manima da wo LP da wani ma wo check so sa be pepenti ya mfa nche won sa unka ya de shawon sa beka
ye beka na woka
sanity
wow the prophet yan hwe December the 31st and commission no ahon kwana was say menka say wo commission for ni say and as didn't na more na the first night
yes if to to sanyo mi huri so menu monyam da bia so zia so awie da what I say mi huri so menu monyam mi huri so nkunu die ni pa kokro to kra sebe pa be fa ho ne kransi be bi papa pa be fa ho awu eja
set from pon yeah
what I say
yeah
eti da bia ne be hye sa ankom no na me ka se mi mankan wi na bibi be fam si e be hye ankom dia asi ebisa wura de se da ben pa ano di sika be go 40 feet container makuma 2 billion na nka ko sita mahaba na takwa de habo na yakase ye chama Ghana for that's my some men so me question ma everade so no so one on my sika
okay
we need money
and when tina ya
laja aga
okay
we need that money
okay
it's a deep for I work Ghana so for work Ghana Debia never shall come say, will be 31st, say the basia. Wouldn't be ya high peer by for not check, woman, one just why I salute you guys. Just and come once in him. Yes, ya high peer by for not check. Yama by for not being famous too much. Because moment be by us, I'm amateur every season be 1 year.
okay
Is you top it? Ampa, is you baby?
and yamana say
I will take them so you.
oh yeah sure
Abrocha even yama gata ne da asasena se kura ekon so still eyiri omo dan kure bubu
yeah
afko kisia abrocha ya tan kura che Ghana
yeah
Ghana dia ba ko pe amesre omampani ene papa dan pare wenye soja fo asem metia me anu nua soja fo o soja odi fo se ko amene metia me anu nua soja fo 48 engineers e woteshi metia mu nyina ene the whole Ghana soja fo nyina I didn't say, Mr. Papa Dampare, and then Nkola on your year to man. When we hear me, Papa Dampare, so be sure and one as I will share TV station here, Mr. Mena money 0244 697357. Papa fa. Now some of my became some I am from so out there, move go headquarters. I said, my young for so move go headquarters.
Why report to one?
I report to me who that. Masse me nyina say moto kata brum no mo nyina traffic mu kakra abrochire bicycle kura gina
the be respected that
traffic aponte kura twom a cars nyina be gina mo twom mo moto fo no nyina kakra
okay
hwe ukotogo a ho me tu kwa bebre ukotogo a ade be ti say cars baby this
Okay.
moto ubeshi omo pa
Okay.
ubeshi omo pa ubeshi moto Ghana yanka say moto no me use moto wa ha enya bad your contemporary but me papa down pare tell say moto for no mo man nyo sekete say traffic is etia o nyina no mo kunkun grofo sie to
Okay.
o nya bo mo wi a no mo dwane
Okay.
because car no tumi mfam echesinity no ko moto for mo nyina me tumi nhyɛ mmara ma ban ba mesrɛ ana fe asema na me pesa me ka no me si 40 feet container no makoma ko 2 billion ada na yemu se sika gumu a ye dia besi kama abo ana no so aban ya dia na that kind of strategy prophecy ni ade no we should stop we should put things off you put to sani money down
31st day no
31st nko a ya sha se 31st besi na chire no just say you put to sani money off.
Okay.
Webe na do so do.
Okay.
Nyame ayi a kire wa nyame oyi kire a wo se ye ho adwuma na ono awurade wo ntwam.
Okay.
Obi so obeka kire se ko ne nchen ko ka kire. Obi so wo se wankasa bo ho mpaye. Se wanti ane ne se ye wo year sensor eti me bo mpa ma se sia. Ne yakasa kire me wo me hu no nyame. Ene me sense na akapcha ena me tie afeti uko baby no bi ka jo so ma me nua bi e bai fo o papa nua bi e bai fo bi so di fo ko ne se me pa cho ma me nua ne friends mane ka jo se wan ni adoa obi a de adoa
ebusia bi
adoa wo akua wo ama wo akosua wo mansa wo me ma de mansa
enukre
me mama achiriba papa chem babo won say me sha info papa me mama your hima o e friend abakuma hima what you say
is that me you the prophet or the kron
David enfan kan o nyame enfan kan no ga me den na kwa me
okay
what you say mom yen kan sampa
okay
o say dwini o me yo Ghana man ya wala wo de it is a dwini do na se abro che no say ye tiafuo mu a ye nyina ye tu kwan ni bi meni o ka bia me ni problem te se na odi mpanifo atam Bible say di waja ne onani
okay
na wona nkwa aware wasase so
ntu ya temdire dia wo ya dan
oh come on twene ya temdie ni free mu why you free mu na beboa
okay ndira di mpasa ho no tim 31st commission no mpacho wo show the 31st
sa me yede
commission wo de na 31st mpacho ai
dabi o sinanya ya kan komse woni mun komse en komse ni twi ni bro fo yede
prophecy
mama nchira ade me sham komoto abrabom ya pon free adwuma yi mu sesia na me kwa awurade manshi amaya wodia e maye wo no cameraman dia and e friend komse ana ni ememe hu no e revelation
okay
adi ye ya danadi adi a kire me
okay
what you say no da adi ne dia sana msumi bisa no o papa soma kwagu ko maame no kwaje ade ne be papa ade na me kwaje
maame be kura
nso ho ebi o so kwaje apetesi bra kwaje biye bra kwaje guinness bra kwaje bible bra kwaje we bra ade ko no ni mo so se ko maame no kwaje ade onu so no nka hwe so you have to ask your father say dia na me kwaje
ya sabne ba adifo ne misa
wo papa no wo se adwade akasa cha na ntumi misa wo suro no
wow
anya no wasoma
okay ebe da abrompa bewu ndimenya dai
wa ne abrampa
mpacho me
wo ne abrampa okay because me pasa go ka ni bia dina
we do me angasa
thank you abrampa wu
yes
me twam
ensi
ntumi nkasa akra ensi da
okay
wo bewu anyame mene ne mene pa
okay
o se nyame mene pa eti mani ni obi anya makoma redia urusi mini musa emene pa beba emene pa dia wurade nipa o ya de ban bewu o dito ni mu awu akọ adifo bebere awu akọ odifo akọ kwabra awu kọ na wo de wo fese o mu ana wo bewu o se akọ me mewu
one day
oh one day me ko ikura metuma wu sesi a
ayinsi
oh masa me dey me nsuro ni awurade be mana to me o ba so boni for na rehye dey come on masa me ti nyankopon akonwa so me ti nkonwa na ye nsonso eti enya ne oboni for be ye no me nsuro ni obekome ni onyame obesem no ona me hu na me twe me ho what I say it is sophobia diphobia me slow bibia say ye can some 31st and I say where one more money a channel one when season be ejabo
yes yes about
one more a full man juma pa no
yes
one more na ma be asofo a one te chire na won keka nkon sha kese one when season be eja sheba one when season be nsuo to what I say it what experience no
adwene bi
sanity mama nche bibi ansa me free akọ ni ogina nafuo mu odo minim acres no fanse odo te sa Accra Sports Stadium na iwira nafu anyi pa onim style oya odo be don simple ba mama nko gina mu dey asem ni
enu kura ka mando
kwa dey anyi o ma dey adwudwa mi pa ni owo adwuma no experience no
ehonyo field
I field
yes
I want me field
okay
because those days na me go school na me new school for years here no boa me no da me na say hey mukoku me na yo satana ma me atukwan mukoku me na yi we on no da hwe ne se mu mremremre ade asem ne na se mama nkodo sha ade nya me bayo da bia me kaya na me ni age me na mfor me ko bo mo no mo do me de ma adokora nya ado papa bia na madam ba ko e friend kwam pepra ogina ha papa no o ma do wi okay ebro na mi o adona me do ye no eso kakra be say one equal something like that omo no do ma nya na me do ye me do kakra bi ani ekosisi mu edu ebro me se me bro no e bakese ye na me de tua school fees masa ya mole aton da o wow me bom mole no esua o mi ti so ye tena ase ama ya nananom na ekasa kire ye di me baby a ye petre no menim okay me ne sofo bi a shi a me bra me ho ase anu nje so asene me onche me odaka
ma akre hu reception ho
odaka ma me daka ni me so me mpere hwe mfini ne nche okay what you say enti ye mre ye ho ase ma wurade okay ni fo bo ma ye mpanifo no okay enu na bo se pani bi akode besia ena wan fa anya hwe na me gina ho bom pa yeti asepeni na me kashe awurade anumunyam obekọ fast so enwu obesa na adwen yes ya wadi for who ebi hu ade o
it's true
I am telling the truth ebi hu ade papa
okay prophet until finally dey na wakache Ghana for
finally ni abekache Ghana for say yes obi ana ne ho sofo asese obi ana journalist by force obi ana ne ho sofo ni nyina mo mpaye na Ghana nsa okay Ghana nsa okọ ba bi ti se ka so anu ma omo ye bola dodo kaneshi bola nso market woman market man no gina ono no say aban message bola na aban na ye bola no gu wo do the right thing ti ukuro mu ba bia wo ton ade te ho
obi atende ho akuro no beti
awurade nyankopon
simple
ana fe meta drive a meta hu sankrofo bozo mu kuta sovel no mu yi almost sa anwea no okwan no no ma sa de agu ba bia na efiri na me pa chaw ye obroni free business back to Batan is you to basa dey
action
abasa tia ba obi ana sa kwan pavement omo friends ba bia yura na funu friends
ana
pavement no aso dodo
okay
buroni no ba ya kwan na ma ye no wono ni kuro mu de no wa ya ketekete o ana kwan ma bai eti otumi fa be 3 cars
yeah
ono na kwaduro ntoni so Ghana de wo ya wa ya wie o me nnua bia wo ho sasa ma make me minim so bia ka woni dem ma minim pa ma monitor Ghana because ye cheaper me come here me aso wo de ya dasha na de movie a wo say omo lorry kwan ya pavement ne omo overhead overpass no omo penti Ghana de no me penti
na yesu nipa
Ghana de mo me penti
okay
what dey yan black red gold green na ye penti ani ye map no ade atum na Ghana ye fo konkom enkurasesem no dɔɔso ma ha do ya Ghana basa mumien penti o mumien penti me aba ma me kwan ya me wo me 2 cedi na me tu di akoto penta me ka bibia me penti yes cause obaka so penti says ya wo say obi abeja yeah who give you this authority who is that no I can't just say okay we have been sent from above bank me ya di abu aba no
was above
me above no me nya ho amane adi asem ni e me nya maye me nya bia maye
enso above nti
wada pare adi above ba be fa me enti me de obi bia se me srawo afa ni etwa ton saa de we wo be hu but metuma kire wa emene ko eye bibia wo de ye bibi ayabo wo ho ban we eye dote keke enti me srawo bibia ye yesu ma mama ka sunsu masa oba wenyin na wo okay come on we have more things to tell the public enti me catch say radio ni nyam say about jom go man jom TV station ni din friends attention just pay attention ya wo so jam pay attention no just out enti obi bia momodi ase se mo pese mo hu ni a e wo prophet o say kwa me mu ni nyame de ama me a hwe attention subscribe na like na share video no what I say na wo share na like ya na fe wo subscribe ya time bia ni ya de betu su bia no wo so betu nya bi okay me pese obeba attention we are so for now person who can do a children so na contact attention for na who contact your man I am telling you the truth member ha me ni ame ho who contact your man omo betu invite you me ba jo ye vante vante a TV station na ye vante enti bomodi say nyame adom wo be ben and so for mo me nya ba ko ye emna ye che Reverend Obofo edi ade Oma Apostle Kennedy frame o se papa unia se wanya asore am ta na chi a na se onya nua papa dade manya asore wow yes mama sofo bi ani na machi mesu ya nya asore anka sofo ye na edi ade yes enti asofo mo me nya ba ko unity bi akoye ehu hia papa me do se na odo me no o ta no kra me do ana me frau na un fimi a wona ma me so nya me shira ya me nyoke se me ko ti me obetuma fra me se bibi na ha bibi na obese erade fa me so mo awa jimi na ma 0244
69
73 57 0244 69 7357 may God richly bless you I love you Pomodi as always subscribe attention TV station now very powerful right
I was for with your main kind because who lectures a course in Yinara we a prophet or say Kwame papa what in the delivery and Nanyamiatum yet in Nabaran Casabuano and Okayano in Yina Bako Tituna Sophono mo be a form call and you de there be there Nemo we attending TV no now subscribe when we pia share no be as a Makabi Medina Namensa Abrompa Bermerne any prophet or say Kwame or that Victory Prophetic Church Ghana and Edins also number no be 0244 697 357 now your first Damak University Foundation also a boy from 0548 30 29 85 and the medium my dear team a course so me crew no double sounds from Brahima and I mean Sikapa Junior Prophet was a communication on your case. Yes, Missy was a miserable and there was one young or the better one tenefi and out so. Papa feeling near guy, I mean, your child on your case. It was also she are near Dinkunya, who and I see in some day for my Ghana home. We 101 with Prophet or say Kwame Crow. Yaminyoka, we shall I love you.